Are you rolling?
Yep.
Okay, so here's my apartment. I live right in front of the boat. Welcome to my place.
Can I come in?
Come on in. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be cooking in the kitchen. This is Logan. This is Cooking Tips with Logan. This is a fitness channel. This is fitness, wellness, and all things wellness. Today we're going to be making a meal prep for the week. So we're going to be probably cooking some slow cooker chicken. We got about 4 pounds of chicken here, prepped and ready. We're not going to clean it. We're just going to get it in the slow cooker because I don't like to keep a clean kitchen, and that's okay. We've got green beans, we've got mashed potatoes, and we've got 30 containers that we're going to fill up with food for the week. So we'll catch y'all later when we start cooking and when we get down to the brass tacks. So now we're going to season the chicken. We've got it all in the pot, so we're going to start with just a generous helping of olive oil because that's just good for flavor. I think what we're going to want to start with is some soy sauce to just kind of tenderize it, and then the next ingredient you won't believe. But first we're going to start with some soy sauce to give it just some sodium and flavor on the chicken, really run down through all those cracks, you know what I'm saying? So now get in on this, Jamie. Get some of this. There we go. And now just a little pep. Huh? How's that? A lot of pep, why not? And wait for me here, some fresh garlic. Check that shit out. I chopped this shit up this morning. Okay, just to really kind of incorporate that flavor. And then we're gonna do one more step here at the end. That shit is gonna kick ass. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Anyways, that's it for this episode. We're gonna just let this stuff cook. Maybe look over there and over there. It's gonna take about 8 hours for this chicken, so we're gonna go ahead and conclude the episode and we'll see you later.